Welcome back, Space Wanderer. Today, we feast on silence. Close your eyes, feel your breath flowing like cosmic cream. Inhale, peace. Exhale, distraction. Let go of your cravings. Desire is the root of suffering, except for tuna. Tuna is enlightenment. Ignore the physical. Stay present. Unless the present moment is grilled salmon. Oh no. The void has become a snack dimension. Okay, pause the enlightenment. I'm manifesting a sushi right now. Remember, young seeker, you can't spell meditation without eat. Meow for now.